So today I'm going to talk about Lara, the e-commerce mobile application. So this mobile application will sell clothes and fashion apparel. And first and foremost, the research background. So the background study on building an e-commerce mobile application in the fashion and apparel industry involves several aspects related to the impact of technology, changes in business model, and the role of e-commerce in the industry. The global pandemic, including the COVID-19 pandemic, has presented significant challenges for fast fashion retailers. These challenge, these challenges have necessitated the adaptation of their strategic activities and business model to ensure survival and success. Recognizing the critical role of the business model as a determinant of success, the study aims to identify the extent and primary changes in business model implemented by fast fashion retailers in response to pandemics. So next is the problem statement. So first and foremost, the limited size ability. So limited stability is a bigger challenge in the e-commerce fashion and apparel industry. This problem arises due to various factors, including supply chain issues, inflationary pressures, changing in consumer preference, and the need for inclusive sizing. According to data week 2023, the situation happened because of the impact of inflation on pricing and stock ability. And next is the limited product information. So limited product information problem in e-commerce fashion and apparel industry refers to the challenges faced by consumers and retailers due to insufficient and incomplete product information available on online platforms. This issue can negatively impact the consumer shopping experience and hinder the growth of the e-commerce fashion industry. According to Rafaela Reason, the 2021, this problem can impact on customer confidence and buying journey. And last but not least is the authenticity and the quality of product. So this problem arises from various factors, including the rest of resale and the importance of brand authenticity and the need of transparency and trust in the online shopping experience. According to Michael Keenan, 2022, the growth of the resale market in the fashion industry is one of the factors impacting the authenticity and quality of products in e-commerce. And next is the research question. So first is how can mobile commerce application in the fashion industry leverage material, style, and product categories to enhance their user experience and increase sales? Next is the how can mobile marketing strategies foster customer interaction and satisfaction? And then is what are the specific challenges and opportunities in developing e-commerce mobile applications for fashion brands? And then is how can mobile e-commerce application in the fashion industry overcome trust and confidence barriers to enhance consumer trust and promote online purchases? And last but not least is what strategies and features can be implemented to minimize concerns related to security, product quality, and returns? So next is the research objectives. So first is to develop a mobile e-commerce application that enables users to buy clothes and apparel, to display the range of prices and various types of clothes and apparel, to show various type of clothes and apparel, to display the range of various type of clothes and apparel, to display the order that customer made to the customer and to the admin. And then is the scope. The scope of building a fashion apparel mobile e-commerce application is to create a digital platform that enables customers to browse, select, purchase, and receive fashion products through their mobile devices. The mobile app will cater specifically to the fashion apparel industry, providing a convenient and personalized shopping experience for users. The scope can be further defined by concerning the aspect which one of them is a customer experience, from customer login until view order. And then the project significance. So first and foremost, it can enhance the customer experience, and then it can give the customer insight, which customer can leave feedback and review, and then it can increase the reach and market expansion of the organization and business, and then it can increase sales and revenue of the business, and then it can build a brand building and customer engagement. It is because customers see that uh, see and trust about the mobile application, and they tend to use it because they expect this brand organization as big as the other brand. And then is the expected outcome, so it can enhance the customer engagement and loyalty. Next is that it can improve customer experience, and next is it can build competitive advantage and brand exposure, and next is it can improve the data collection and insights. And then is the project limitation. So first and foremost is the technical limitations. So creating an e-commerce mobile application for fashion and apparel industry may involve technical challenges. Integrating various functionalities such as product catalogs, inventory management, personal recognition, and smooth integration requires advertise in mobile app development and integration with back-end system. And then is the user adoption and intention. So while e-commerce mobile application offer a convenient and personal experience, attracting internet users can be a challenge. So the market is saturated with fashion app and users have high expectation for seamless functionality and engaging experience. It is crucial to invest in effective marketing strategies and user acquisition campaigns to promote the application and drive user adoption. And then last but not least is the performance and scalability. So as the e-commerce mobile application grows in popularity, it must handle the increasing in user traffic and scale effectively. Performance optimization, including fast loading times and smooth navigation, is a caution to ensure a positive user experience. Additionally, the application should be able to handle a large number of products, orders, and user data without compromising performance. Next is the chapter 2, which is the literature review. So into this digital age, e-commerce has transformed the way people shop for fashion and apparel. With the increasing popularity of smartphones and mobile devices, developing a fashion e-commerce mobile app has become a necessity for fashion retailers looking to reach their target audience and provide a seamless fashion shopping experience. Within an e-commerce mobile application, innovation and ability can provide numerous benefits for organizations. According to Naira 2031, one of the benefits is it can increase customer engagement and loyalty. So the fashion environment industry has witnessed a transformative shift with the advent of e-commerce mobile application. Into this fast-paced digital age, mobile apps have become an essential tool for fashion tellers to enhance customer engagement, increase market reach, and provide a seamless shopping experience. According to App My Site 2023, App My Site report emphasized the growing significance of mobile apps in the fashion world. So literature review on the current system that research is the H&M and Shein. So first and foremost is H&M. So Heinz and Moritz. H&M is a well-known clothing retailer with operations primarily in Europe, North America, and Asia. It is headquartered in Stockholm, Sweden, and operates over 1,500 outlets worldwide. H&M is renowned for its unique approach to serving customer and creating customer needs rather than simply addressing existing market demands. Based on H&M Group 2022, H&M Financial Report provide valuable insights into company sales development, performance, and market trends. H&M also has a unique market segment. One research study explored the unique phenomena of H&M customer behavior and whether it stems from a genuinely distinct market segment. The study conducted a survey of H&M shoppers and compared their behavior with department store shoppers. The results supported that the theory that H&M customer behavior is attitude bound and learned through interaction with the company according to UKSS 2018. This finding suggests that H&M market success lies in its ability to shape consumers' behaviors. So this is the interface of the mobile H&M mobile app. So it's an interesting, attractive, and stylish interface for me, and it was easy to use to see and to know what's the function of this all of this button, and it's really such incredible experience for me to use this mobile application. I use it a lot to buy my clothes, buy my pants, and so on. And then next is the Shein. So Shein, a Chinese fast fashion giant, has gained significant attention and success in recent years. This literature review aims to analyze articles discussing Shein's business model, its material rise in popularity, the controversies surrounding the brand, the social light on strategy, its impact on the fashion industry, and the ethical concerns associated with its operation. So according to Dilys William 2032, Shein has emerged as a dominant player in the fast fashion industry, known as for its ultra fashion business model. With an ever-growing inventory of up to 10,000 new products churned out daily, Shein relies on third-party suppliers in China to produce small batches of clothing items. It swiftly adapts to micro-tests identified through algorithms and customer data, allowing it to cut production times to as little as 10 days. This rapid production and constant time markdowns create a sense of urgency and perpetuate the idea of disposable fashion. So this is the interface of the Shein. So it's like more like a Shopee interface, as you can see here. Here's some very lots of categories, lot of various type of clothing and much more. And then when comparing it with the current system, which for H&M and Shein, so the audience of H&M is the people who like to purchase a good fashion brand with various type of trendy clothes. Meanwhile, uh, the target audience of Shein is the people who like to purchase clothes with more affordable prices. So the users from both of this system, this application can support by online, and then they also have the same platform, which is Android, iOS, and website. And then the accessibility of H&M is very limited, but the Shein and is a very various type of sizes. As you can see from the interface earlier, it has the plus size. And then the interface of H&M is more attractive and stylish. Meanwhile, Shein is just basic look and easy to use. So the related research, the machine learning technique also based on the research that I have studied. Several machine learning techniques are being used in the e-commerce, fashion, and apparel industry to transform various aspects of business. According to Bernard Ma, 2021, fashion brands are leveraging machine learning algorithms to predict and forecast upcoming fashion trends. Traditionally, trend forecasting was a labor-intensive product involving manual observation and data collection from fashion designers and influencers. Other than that, machine learning is being employed to create virtual models, shortcuts clothes that haven't actually been manufactured, reducing waste and improving sustainability. CGI models such as pseudogram have gained popularity on social media platforms. These virtual models not only help designers showcase their latest creation worldwide, but they also contribute to reducing the environmental impact of the fashion industry. So the summary of analysis review is in this chapter is discussed that some research has been done to develop the Lara e-commerce mobile application from the current application that are available. In conclusion, the literature on building e-commerce mobile application in fashion and apparel highlights the significance of marketing design elements, consumer behavior, and mobile retail adoption. These studies emphasize the need for comprehensive frameworks and systematic approach to design effective mobile application that cater to customer preference and expectations throughout their mobile shopping journey. Chapter 3, which is next is chapter 3, which is the methodology. So the overview of mobile application development life cycle. So the software development life cycle is essential for developing desktop or web application. Smartphone development requires that the development of mobile application is essential to establish a specific framework life cycle for mobile apps known as the mobile application development life cycle (MDLC). Given the growing demand for mobile application and the complexity of their development, so identification, design, development, prototyping, Testing, deployment, and maintenance are the phases that make up the suggested lifespan. This life cycle deals with some of the traits of mobile applications such as longevity, complicated functionality, less physical interface, and many more. So first is identification. In this phase, the main ideas are collected and categorized. And the idea itself can come from customer or developers. This phase include conducting research to determine the project's background, objective, scope, user requirement, and next it involves understanding why we are building a mobile application and defining its purpose and target audience. So basically, this identification, uh, just how it shows in a table, the activities, the two method, and the deliverables of the identification phase. And then the hardware requirements that that I need to use for this project. And then the software requirements. And then is the design phase. So design phase is an accession stage in various domains, including software development and product design, where the focus is on creating a well-thought-out plan and, and visual representation of the final product. The product must be user-friendly, aesthetic-pleasing, and in line with the project objective and specification. So this is the table that shows the summary of the design phase, its activity, tools method, and deliverables, as you can see. And then the development phase. So the software development lifecycle, as there's a key development phase, is where the actual coding and implementation of software takes place. So as you can see, this table it review and summarize the development phase. So like activities to create the logo application, develop UI, and develop database. And then is the prototyping phase. So in this phase, design and product teams can test and define their ideas throughout the prototyping stage of design and development process before developing the early samples or models known as prototypes are created to test a theory or procedure. So this is the summary of the prototyping phase, the activities, tools, method, and deliverables. And then the testing. The testing is an essential part of the mobile application development life cycle, MDC, that involve evaluating a software application to ensure its quality and functionality. It typically follows the development phase and precedes the deployment or release of the software. The testing phase aims to identify defects, errors, and shortcomings in the software and verify that it meets the specified requirements for this project. Unit testing is used. The program is tested separately as individual units and all components. And next is the deployment. So in this phase, the application is finally ready for installation in production and customer acceptance during the deployment phase of mobile application development lifecycle, MADLC. Its primary goal is to deploy the finished product into the targeted production environments and make it accessible. It's more accessible to users so they may use it in the field. This project type of development will involve communicating new deployment to the users. It's performed by informing the end users about the impending development is the first duty in the deployment phase. And last but not least is the maintenance phase. The maintenance phase of the mobile application development lifecycle MDC takes place after the software has been installed and is running. This stage involves monitoring the software to make sure it's keeping working as intended and carry out any necessary maintenance, upgrades, or updates. The maintenance phase includes tasks including problem analysis, identification, update of design testing, and product implementation. So that's all for me. Thank you.